Zolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the fifth question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is a harder set of math questions. And it reads, a function f is defined by f of x equals 270 times 0.1 to the x. What is the value of f of 0? If you know a certain something, there's a 5-second question. You could just look at it and get it correct. I'm going to write it down in case you don't know this. So I just reproduced the function over here, f of x equals 270 times 0.1 to the x. And it's asking for f of 0. Notice the x is replaced by 0. So 270 times 0.1 to the 0. And what is 0.1 to the 0? Anything to the 0 is 1. And of course, 270 times 1 is going to be 270. It's D. But stick around because you don't have to remember anything. The Desmos solution is easy. First, I'm going to explain why anything to 0 power is 1. So let's say you've got like x squared over x squared. So let's say your x is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. What do you do with your exponents here? You subtract them, so you get x to the 0. So x to the 0 is 1. If I made my x 2, then I've got 4 over 4. And 4 over 4, of course, is 1. And again, x to the 2 minus 2 is going to give you x to the 0. So x to the 0 is always 1. You can do it with any other exponent. Y to the third over y to the third, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now, Desmos solution. You don't need to know anything. All you have to do is plug it into Desmos. So check this out. If we go to Desmos, so here you see I wrote my function in here. All you put is f0, and then it gives you your answer, 270. It's right there. So you don't need to know anything at all in order to get this correct. You just need to type it into Desmos. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with somebody who does not know Desmos solves functions for you or doesn't know that anything to the 0 is 1. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official BSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Check out our 1-minute videos if you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist. Once you hit the playlist, you're going to find below the playlist, you're going to see the shorter videos. Find your test and module number. Shorter videos are just below these longer videos. And also, click subscribe and check out this other function question. Have a great day.